Happy weekend. So this week's episode is going to be a mixture of stuff. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we're going to go inside the house, take a template of the rails that we're going to do inside the house on the stairs. Basically, we're going to install the post, put the top bar, and then temporarily put a bar on bar, tack everything in place, take it back at the shop, fully welded, grinded, polished it, painted. Then in about 2 weeks or so, once they finish the wood steps, we're going to come and reinstall it. Thursday is not much. It's just welding on a beam and working on some stairs inside a different house. Friday is the interesting one. We're going to be in the mountains, in the snow. We're going to have to unload about 15 columns and beams. To take the trailer, push up against the snow, give room for other cars to pass by us. In the meantime, we're going to take the forklift that we rented for the day and slowly unload the trailer while staying out of everybody's way. And then taking those columns and beams and placing them around the snow out of the way, because in 2 weeks we're going to come with the crane and start installing the columns and beams. Hope you enjoy. So basically, we put this steps 1, 2, 3 temporarily. When they do the wood, it's going to be exactly the same thickness, same width, same distance, same width, same depth. So we put our plate there, our post level, post, top bar, tack in place. We're gonna put another bar temporarily at the bottom, weld it really good, then take them at the shop. Fully welded, grinded, polished it, paint it, and then bring it back, install it. When we bring it back, it's gonna have brackets, one here, one here, one here, and 2 of them on each post. And the glass guys are gonna come and put glass all the way down. This is gonna be the kitchen. We installed that I-beam about 1.5 years ago, and it ends over there. So one I-beam continuous to hold the ceiling. So living room, kitchen, so I love how they do the wood ceilings. There's no trim, it's just clean lines on the edges, borderless. Nice wood. And then this is second story. A few new houses. Big windows all the way up. This will be the bathroom. Floating cabinets. And this is why I like this house. The baseboards are going to be flushed. The plugs are over there. See the baseboards. Basically, baseboards are going to come flushed here all the way down. Nice clean all around the house. And finish it. So we did this all the way down there. This is all the way downstairs. So from up there to down there, it's one wall of just decorative rails. Those are steps. So basically, yeah. Yeah. Okay, yeah, so I'll make sure all the posts are lined up and then cut. Because both the last 2 bars I have to cut a few inches out of them. Okay, that's all I want. Okay, bye. Okay.
So we cut this one. Remember, it used to be sharp, and now we put this one on. We have to make sure it's 90 this way, 90 this way, and like this, and like this, and then it kind of goes exactly parallel with this. And then over here we're going to pour smaller pipe, self-tappers, and shove this one in another, and these self-tappers is fine. So we are done with second day. So this is how this came out. It's still in the rough shape. We have to polish it, grind it. It's going to be the final cut. We're just going to put a piping inside this one, bolt it to this one, and then put two self-tappers here. This is done. This is done. Again, this is just rough. We still have to polish it, grind it with self-tappers. So and this is the third one, same thing, nice and clean cut. Again, rough. Now I'm thinking maybe we should cut this one too, just to match all the other ones, because now this is the only one that has the sharp. We might have to cut this just to match with everything else. That's a long drop. So what's interesting about this? Deck, see there's no column above this one. It's just over. It's just cantilevered. Also, there's no post underneath here. We have a beam going this way, one going this way, and it's holding this. It's holding this one up. There's no column over here either. Same thing in the other deck. See how there's no column. There's no column there, no column there. It's just a large cantilever. Waiting in Truckee to get unloaded. So basically where the blue bus, there's a street right there. I have to pull that way on a very narrow street. They're clearing snow over there somewhere. Once they're done, I'm gonna pour in so we can unload all the beams, those beams and all those beams and columns.
Actually, hold on. He might squeeze through first. Okay. He might not be. Hold on. Yine boş merkez şeyi ver. Alright, John, you good? Okay.
Here we are unloading. We're taking lunch. This is the trailer. There's the truck. That's where we have to move this truck out of the way and come unload all the beams kind of all over here and here. And then this is our bathroom. Now this weekend, it's Friday today, this weekend they're expecting another about 5-6 feet of snow, so this will be completely covered. That should be fun. And there's the house, there's the trailer. This is a two-way road. And we're gonna have to come with the forklift here, block it, take one beam, go around, dump it somewhere here, come back, grab another one, go back, keep dumping them on left and right side of on the pile of snow. So we have to take the beams. We're gonna move this truck out of the way. We have to take the beams and kind of spread them, I think, over here, some over here. We also have those wires, so we can't put them directly under the wires. We have to push them as far as we can. Some here, maybe in the driveway, but we need the driveway space to turn around with the forklift. So I don't know exactly how we're gonna do it, because next week forklift's gonna come in here, take one of the beams and install it on the house. Well, this is fun. Okay.
That's still pretty sturdy.
Yeah.
Maybe flip it if you can.
Yeah. Let's flip it. Ah, Jesus. Pro tip. We were sliding so bad that the morning was fine, but after we kept going over it, we were sliding so much because there was ice. We just took shovels of snow and threw a layer of snow. It helped so much so we won't slide. That's what we're gonna do next time, because the more you drive on it, the more slippery it gets, the more it gets compacted, and then it's like ice. So just take a layer of snow, pour a layer of snow. It helps so much. Now I have to walk back to the truck, which is way past that way. That's the only place we have to park. Oh, good boy. Hello. Dogs barking at me. It's all good, friendly.